Imagine losing half of your customers because you simply forgot who they were. It sounds impossible, but for most businesses, their most valuable information is scattered across thousands of messy spreadsheets, sticky notes, and lost emails. Every day, companies lose millions of dollars because they cannot see the full picture of the people they serve. But what if there was a digital brain that remembered everything for you? What if you could see every interaction, every purchase, and every complaint a customer ever had in one single place? This is the gap that one company decided to bridge over 25 years ago. That company is Salesforce. To understand what Salesforce is, you have to imagine a world before the internet was everything. Back in 1999, if a business wanted to use software to manage its customers, it had to buy massive servers, pay for expensive installations, and wait months for things to work. Then, a man named Mark Benioff had a revolutionary idea in a small apartment in San Francisco. He believed that software should be like a utility, something you just plug into and use through the web, just like a light bulb uses electricity. He called this software as a service. This was the birth of the cloud, and it changed the way we work forever. At its simplest level, Salesforce is a customer relationship management platform, often called a CRM. Think of it as a giant, intelligent database in the sky that connects your sales, marketing, and customer service teams. Instead of having different departments working in silos, Salesforce creates what they call Customer 360. This means that every single person in your company, from the salesperson on the street to the support agent in the office, is looking at the exact same information about the customer. It provides a single source of truth. The platform works through different modules that Salesforce calls clouds. Each one is designed for a specific part of your business. For example, Sales Cloud is the digital workspace for your sales team. It helps them track potential customers, manage their deals, and see exactly where a sale might be stuck. On the other hand, if a customer has a problem, they go to Service Cloud. This tool helps your support team solve issues faster by showing them the customer's entire history instantly. There is also Marketing Cloud, which helps businesses send the right message to the right person at the perfect time, whether that is through an email, a social media post, or a text message. But Salesforce is not just about storing names and phone numbers. It has a built-in brain called Einstein. This is an artificial intelligence system that looks at all your data and tells you what might happen next. It can predict which potential customers are most likely to buy your product or suggest the best way to answer a frustrated customer's email. In fact, recent studies show that sales professionals using these AI agents are 1.7 times more likely to reach their goals than those who do not. Now, you might be wondering how a small business can use the same tool as a giant corporation. This is where the flexibility of the platform shines. Salesforce offers something called AppExchange, which is essentially an app store for business tools. Just like you download games or productivity apps on your phone, a business can go to AppExchange and find over 5,000 ready-to-use apps that plug directly into Salesforce. This allows a company to start small and grow as big as they want without ever needing to change their system. It is important to include a disclaimer here. While Salesforce provides powerful tools for growth and data management, the success of the platform depends entirely on how a business chooses to implement it and the quality of the data they enter. No tool can replace a solid business strategy. To make sure everyone can use this technology, Salesforce created Trailhead. This is a free, fun learning platform where anyone can earn badges and certifications. It has helped millions of people around the world learn technical skills regardless of their background. Today, more than 150,000 companies use this technology to stay ahead of the competition. If this information helped you understand how the digital world of business actually works, please regale me to like. Also, leave a comment below with the word Salesforce so I know you made it to the end. See you in the next one.